I believe that we will! I believe that we will!
Hi, I'm Rose and welcome to episode 22 of Trojan TV. First up, we talked with teachers about hall duty. Each teacher has hall duty about 4 to 5 times per year, and it's a good way to make sure the various locations of the school are monitored during the busy morning rush before the school starts.
So teachers have hall duty, I would say probably 4 times a school year, maybe twice a semester. So you see us out here. There's all these different spots around the building. I'm currently basically watching the breakout rooms, which nobody is in. And we stand here until 11 or 7:45 in the morning all week, and it's just the best. Get to see everybody, say hi as they're walking in. What a great way to start. Look at these happy, fun faces as they're walking in. So that's morning duty. That's what you see us out here, just making sure everything's getting off to a good start for the day.
What are your thoughts on hall duty?
I think hall duty is a great thing. I think that it's wonderful for teachers to get out and talk to the students in the morning, just to kind of keep an eye on what's going on, what's happening in the hallways. It's just a great way for teachers and principals to make connections with students.
I think hall duty it's a little tough sometimes to get here earlier than I need to, but I like being out in the commons and seeing everybody. It also gives me an excuse to be out of my room early in the morning for about 15 minutes or so.
It can be a little tough to get up early sometimes, to be honest, but it's a good chance to see kids in the morning and say hi to kids, and I definitely see the benefit of it.
You had me notice some unfamiliar faces in the building this week. That was due to Reality U, a program for which Andover middle schoolers toured AHS. Let's take a look. With the NFL and the Super Bowl fresh on everybody's mind, we asked students about their knowledge of the NFL team logos.
Name 4 NFL teams with a star in their logo.
Steelers, Cowboys. Cowboys, Patriots, Steelers, Texans. The Titans?
Yeah. Name 6 NFL teams with the color red and blue in their logo.
Okay, so we got Texans, Bills, Tennessee. Does Tennessee have one?
No.
Not Tennessee. Titans.
I know Steelers.
No, Steelers?
Yeah.
Red and blue?
Stars.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Patriots. Yeah, Patriots are one. 5, one more. I think I'm stuck.
It has like 2 letters in the logo.
Oh, New York Giants.
Giant.
Name all the NFL teams with the birds in their logo.
Falcons, Ravens, Eagles, Cardinals. I don't know the 5th one. Wait. Falcons, Ravens, Eagles, Cardinals, Seahawks.
And it wouldn't be Valentine's Day without our singograms. Students paid as little as $5 to have the choir come and sing to their Valentine.
Don't be a buttercup, don't break my heart. Adore. Can be turned away. Shaboom, if you would tell me I'm the only one you love, oh, life could be a dream. An enchanted moment, and it's easy. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue. But with you, I found my place. I see your face. Life could be a dream. Do, 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 do. I've gone that day.
Finally, let's take a look at the Winter Homecoming Pep Assembly, which featured homecoming king and queen candidates, a dance by the Trojanettes, and a special pie in the face event.
For not very long. A first place kid rapper, Eastline Sonic band for 3 years, marching band for 4 years, magical. She just does all of her calc homework and tries to hang out with dogs. At Andover High School, Tori has been involved in student council for 3 years. Tori plans to attend Katie. Lindsay is the daughter of Clint and was baseball manager for 2 years, FBLA for 3 years, NHS for 2 years, Chick-fil-A lover, full-time foodie with my dad, professional party planner. She would love to settle in a nice spot.
Yours truly, Maverick William Hurt, who's somewhere over there.
Some of your favorite teachers, principals, etc. get pie in the face.
Addison Pumphrey. 2, 1.
Will the following students please come down?
3, 2, 1.
Big round of applause for all their teachers for being out.
And thanks for watching our episode 22 of Trojan TV. Tune in for next episode.